Welcome to AI Portal, where we explore the fascinating intersection of artificial intelligence and the pressing challenges of our time. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects us all: climate change. Imagine a world where AI could help us combat climate change effectively. Sounds ambitious, right? Well, it's not just a dream, it's happening right now. Climate change is one of the most critical issues facing our planet. Rising temperatures, melting ice caps, and extreme weather events are becoming increasingly common. But what if technology, specifically AI, could offer solutions? That's exactly what we're going to explore today. We'll look at how AI is not just a futuristic concept, but a current, actionable tool in the fight for a greener planet. So what exactly is AI in the context of climate change? In simple terms, artificial intelligence refers to computer systems that can perform tasks typically requiring human intelligence. This includes problem solving, learning, and decision-making. When applied to climate change, AI can analyze vast amounts of data, predict outcomes, and optimize processes to reduce carbon footprints. But why does this matter? Well, the stakes couldn't be higher. Our planet's health depends on the actions we take today. AI offers a unique opportunity to make those actions more effective and efficient. By harnessing AI, we can better understand environmental patterns, optimize energy use, and even predict future climate scenarios. This means more informed decisions and potentially faster, more significant impacts. Let's dive into 3 practical examples of how AI is making a difference right now. Our first example focuses on energy optimization. Companies like Siemens and IBM are leading the way in using AI for energy management. AI algorithms can analyze energy consumption patterns in real time, suggesting more efficient ways to use electricity. This not only saves money, but also reduces emissions. Imagine a smart grid that learns and adapts, ensuring that renewable energy sources are used optimally. Next, we have decarbonization efforts. AI can help industries identify the most carbon-intensive processes and recommend alternatives. For instance, AI models can simulate the impact of different manufacturing processes, helping companies switch to greener methods. This is particularly vital in industries like steel and cement, which are traditionally heavy polluters. Our third example is environmental monitoring. AI-powered drones and sensors are being used to track environmental changes with incredible precision. In agriculture, this means monitoring crop health and soil conditions, which can lead to more sustainable farming practices. In forestry, AI helps in tracking deforestation rates and illegal logging activities. However, it's important to approach this topic with a balanced perspective. AI isn't a magic bullet. There are risks and limitations. For instance, AI systems require large data sets, which can be challenging to obtain accurately. Moreover, there's the ethical consideration of data privacy. As we gather more environmental data, we must ensure that individuals' privacy is respected. Additionally, there's the issue of energy consumption by AI itself. Training AI models can be energy intensive, which seems counterintuitive when our goal is to reduce emissions. Therefore, it's crucial to develop more energy-efficient AI technologies. Let's quickly recap what we've covered. AI has the potential to revolutionize our approach to climate change through energy optimization, decarbonization, and environmental monitoring. However, we must be mindful of the ethical and practical challenges that come with it. If you found this exploration of AI and climate change insightful, why not join the conversation? We'd love to hear your thoughts or questions in the comments below. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to AI Portal for more deep dives into how AI is shaping our future. Let's work together for a greener, smarter planet.